As you're deciding on your next PC, it might be surprising to find out you'll need to consider graphics. That's because graphics aren't just for gamers. The part of the computer that handles graphics is known as the Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU. A GPU is sometimes called a video or graphics card, so if you hear that, they're essentially talking about the same thing. The GPU helps with things like graphics, effects, and video. The GPU is important for a lot of different kinds of work, from video editing and design to working with architectural files and even machine learning. GPUs come in two types, integrated and discrete. Integrated GPUs are built into the motherboard with the CPU. This allows laptops to be ultra-thin, less expensive, and power-efficient. They'll work well for some gaming, light video editing, or working with photos. These are great for most people. Discrete GPUs are their own separate part and plugged into the motherboard. They are larger and consume more power, but they help the computer run intense graphics, effects, and video. If you do photo or video editing, design work, or if you game a lot, you'll want one of these. There are a lot of different options ranging in price and performance from several manufacturers, so it's important to research your requirements before choosing a discrete GPU. You can usually find information about specific app or game requirements at the developer's website. Hope that helps.